Utah Navajo Health System, our mission statement is we exist to improve your quality of life through comprehensive, self-empowered, culturally sensitive, and amazing customer service.
What I like about working for UNHS, there's several things. Number one, the clinical pharmacy program is really pushing the limits of what clinical pharmacists do in the country. It allows us to work directly with patients. 3/4 of my days are in the clinic seeing patients on a regular basis. Our diabetes patients, our diabetes program focus specifically on that disease state, what we can do, and we do a lot of good for those patients. We can spend a little bit more time with them, work with them, and we also oversee anticoagulation clinic as well as several other hypertension and some other disease states that we're working on.
Even though we are a rural area, we try to bring the best quality care that we can to the patients in our area.
I do feel like I make a difference with these people, and it might not be a huge difference right off the bat, but I think understanding their social issues and their problems and incorporating that into the care you give them makes a huge difference. I think in the city it's a completely different set of issues and the difference you can make.
I believe that the administrative team has created a healthy environment. They have an open door policy, they support our educational goals, but they do also encourage us to do our best at the jobs that we have here.
The company has been really supportive of any employee who wanted to advance. So if they wanted to go back to school, get more training, particularly in the medical side. So if the MA wanted to go to nursing school, if a nurse wanted to go to PA school, anything like that, they have a really good tuition reimbursement program, which several employees have taken advantage of, and several of our PAs that have come back and are now working for us. So they really, really support the employee and what their goals are.
I believe that the work environment here is very positive. All of our employees are very willing to help out our patients and giving good quality customer service. Patients are our #1 priority, and making them feel like they're getting the best quality care that they can.
Prior to coming here, I worked at another location, and one of the big draws here was the fact that what we were doing here is having such a big benefit to our patient population. We're seeing new people come in all the time and being able to make substantial changes that ultimately will make long-lasting improvements to their health and their family's health as they go along.
I like working here because of the environment. It's great as far as the people that we work with, the friendly environment, the helpful environment, as well as it's just a wonderful, safe, clean building. You walk in this building and you just feel healthy. I remember when we had the original clinic when I started here, and seemed like it was small and crowded and dark and the ceilings were low, and this company has been great to keep up with improvements as far as the working conditions, but not only for that, but just for the wellness of the patients and just making it a healthy environment.
So one of our benefits here at Utah Navajo Health System is our wellness program. We encourage our employees to live a healthy lifestyle. We have classes at lunch with our instructor. Our fitness center also helps with living that healthy lifestyle. A lot of our employees, they exercise at lunch. They'll run 3 miles in the mesas, or they'll go to our gym here in the building.
I like being outdoors, and where I live is like the center of everything, because you have Moab, you have Colorado, you have New Mexico, and then you have Arizona. And I've been mostly everywhere within the Four Corners area, and they also have a lot of great events. I run in half marathon races, or sometimes they have some trail runs here. We have a lot of ultra runs too around the Four Corners.
I ride horses, I go running, there's world-class hiking, biking. You can do anything here. I love working here. I love the new friends that I've made. I ran an operating room before this, and so coming down here is just like a really good breath of fresh air for me.
I enjoy hunting, fishing, and we probably have some of the greatest opportunities in the world where we're at here. I live in Blanding. I'm only 90 minutes from Lake Powell. Be on the water fishing. We spend a lot of time in the mountain. You can either go hit the desert and be down on the desert in no time, or you can be at 11,000 feet in 40 minutes and enjoying the thin air and a lot of the wildlife and stuff up there as well. So lots of opportunities to be outdoors. This part of the country is world-renowned for its Native American archaeological sites, and the hiking opportunities there's more than you'll ever be able to hike in your lifetime down here, so those opportunities are great.
A small community out here like Monument Valley or Montezuma Creek, you get to know everybody firsthand, first name basis and stuff like that. So, I would say that, you get to be more relaxed. You get to know people, you get to know your patient, client.
I like the people a lot. The culture is really fun, and Navajo people are just funny in general. And they're just good people. I like the environment, the atmosphere, and our patients are good.
I have a young family. The communities here are great for raising kids. You don't have all the worries that you might have in other larger locations, and you get to get out and teach kids how to work and have fun. Lots of good friends and opportunities for them to do the things that I did growing up, which I appreciate.
We provide great opportunities at all our facilities with open arms and amazing customer service to our patients.
That's what it is here. It's you're getting out and you're living and you're moving and you're breathing the fresh air and you're seeing how dark the sky gets at night. I don't think there's any better place to come home to.
If you like taking care of patients and like giving 100% of what you do every day and enjoying what you do, this is a place that has your back. They're going to push you to excel and give you every opportunity to do that. You'll find satisfaction in your job, you'll find satisfaction in your days off, you'll find satisfaction in your family life. We make a true difference to our patients and our communities here with what we do.